Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm at Crest Condos right now. More specifically, I'm at the pool. Let me take you for a little spin so you can see the common areas here. And also, at the end of this, I'll take you by where the fitness center is. So right there, we got the Crest Tiki Bar, got one of the pools here. Another pool and a grilling area. It says no smoking. I do smell some smoke. It's probably people on the beach. If you go down this gate here, you can make a right there, and there's some bathrooms there, and then also the fitness center. But let's take a walk over to the gate to get down to the beach, and I will show you guys that. All right, so here is the gate to go down to the beach. You got a shower here to rinse the sand off. And there you are. And then over on the other side of the pool area, we got this covered area. If you want to have some lunch out of the sun and still have some views of the beach. Okay, you guys, that'll about wrap up this video of the common areas at Crest. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and check the playlist areas for more condo tours in Panama City Beach, Florida. If you have property you need to buy or sell in the Panama City Beach area, we'd love to help you with that. We're gonna leave Alice's contact information down below. And as our code word, let's say Culvers, because that's what they're advertising as they fly by right now. Mention something about Culvers in the comments below, and that way we'll know you made it to the end.